get right into it. I purchased this new Too Faced Born This Way Sunset palette from Nordstrom. I ordered this palette online yesterday for store pickup, and when I went back online today, I couldn't find this palette. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but here we are today with the beautiful palette. Get right into it. And I'm wearing my natural hair today because, I mean, why not, right? It's always a good day to wear natural hair. For primer today, I'm gonna use my Anastasia concealer as a primer. If you don't have a eyeshadow primer, a concealer is always an amazing option as a base. And always make sure like your primer is really smooth so you have a seamless base. Take your time and prime. Always prime your lids before you apply eyeshadow. Upon looking at this palette, this is a nice neutral everyday palette. As you see these beautiful shades you get in here. This chocolate brown shade here, black sand right here, is the darkest shade that comes in this palette. You get really beautiful colors in here, as you can see here, and you also get the shimmer shades in here, which is beautiful. And I am thinking, oh, what are we going for? You know what, I'm gonna go for like a chocolate look today. So first I'm gonna dip into the second darkest shade in here, which is this beautiful shade right here. I'm gonna go into that. So I'm gonna take some of Cocoa Glow and I'm gonna go in the corner of the eyes with this one, Cocoa Glow. And that is picking up really beautiful, that Cocoa Glow color. And it is a matte, it is not a glow shade at all. And that's just the name that they chose. This is nice. This is going on really nicely already. You see how nice and rich that chocolate is. So nice. I already love that a lot. That's really nice. And I'm just gonna go over it a little bit more just to fill in those little areas that didn't get any, and then I'm gonna blend it all together. I'm gonna bring it more to the beginning of my eye. I am doing a really chocolatey look with this, an everyday look. Something very simple, because this is a really easy, I would say, to work with palette. It isn't one of those that has a lot of different colors, and for that reason I feel neutral palettes are so easy. I can't stress that enough to work with. And this one is really nice. I like this shade so much. It's so chocolatey. Really a beautiful everyday shade. So nice. That applied so lovely. And you see with the base how it almost holds on. And because of that, it's really smooth, as you can see. I'm gonna take this shade right here, Chai Times. This one here. I'm gonna go on the top with this Chai Times. And that's just, it's dark as well, but it has more like a little bit of red to it. So just to bring that out a bit more. This is so pretty. That is so gorgeous. Yeah, you can see that. That is so gorgeous. And I don't know what shimmer shade I'm gonna go into from in this, because this is such a pretty palette. But because I say I'm going for a chocolate look, why not? Let's just go into this one right here. And I'm gonna use my finger. Like such an easy everyday look, or even it's just a really easy chocolate look. So easy. I feel like any beginner can do this, but when you're going for like the shimmer shades, I find them to apply really easy with the fingers. And this shimmer shade is so soft on this one. See how beautiful of a color payoff I'm getting from this one. And to save time, I'm gonna finish up this eye off camera. You see, when I applied it on my eyes, it blended out really easily with this beautiful new palette. I feel like it was really a nice color payoff, and I'm gonna get right into the swatches because I don't want to make this a super long video. You see everything swatched really beautiful with this new Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped eyeshadow palette. And you see at the beginning when I applied the eyeshadow to my eyes, it was very easy to blend. It was very easy to get a very rich color payoff. And this is also a talc free palette, as I prefer talc free palettes. This is also a neutral palette. This is perfect for everyday use. This is great for creating a number of looks. And like I said, every shade in this palette is super usable and very easy to work with. And if there's anything that you didn't understand about my video, or if there's anything that I didn't mention about this beautiful new palette from Too Faced, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section. I will be more than happy to respond. I will leave all of the details to this palette in the description box. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.